Welcome to my YouTube channel Discovery Lee Day Wayne today. We're taking you behind the scenes to uncover the magic of Nagasaki Castella honey cake, a Japanese classic with Portuguese roots. This isn't just any cake. It's known for its soft, fluffy texture, sweet honey aroma, and that irresistible golden brown crust. Let's explore how tradition and modern machinery come together to create these delectable treats on a massive scale. Our journey begins with the workers in the factory, who start by thoroughly washing their hands to ensure the highest standards of cleanliness. They check each egg individually for freshness and consistency, discarding any that don't meet the standards. Once cracked, the eggs are poured into a large iron bowl, where they gather in preparation for mixing. This manual process allows the workers to maintain a high level of quality control. Once the eggs are cracked and gathered in a large iron bowl, the worker carefully adds sugar, which is essential for the cake's sweetness and moist texture. Using a hand whisk, the worker gently mixes the eggs and sugar together for about 10 minutes. After this initial mixing, the egg-sugar mixture is poured into an industrial mixer, where it will be thoroughly blended to achieve the perfect consistency and texture needed for the Castella batter. This careful combination of manual and machine mixing ensures a smooth, light, and evenly blended batter, setting the foundation for a beautifully fluffy cake. The egg and sugar mixture is poured back into a large iron bowl to rest and cool for about 5 minutes. This brief cooling period allows the mixture to stabilize, which is essential for achieving the ideal consistency in the next step. Once cooled, the mixture is transferred to a heavy-duty industrial mixer, where it's whipped together at high speed. As the mixture becomes frothy, honey is added, infusing the batter with its sweet, floral notes while also helping to keep the cake moist. The addition of honey contributes to the cake's signature golden brown color during baking, enhancing both its visual appeal and flavor profile. After the honey is well incorporated, flour is gently folded into the batter. This careful folding technique is crucial to maintain the airy consistency created in the previous mixing stages. The process is closely monitored to prevent overmixing, which can lead to a denser cake instead of the desired light and delicate texture. After the flour is gently folded into the batter, a bit of honey and milk is added to enhance the cake's flavor and moisture. After the honey and milk have been gently incorporated into the batter, the mixture is poured back into the large iron bowl. This allows the batter to cool once again for a brief period, which is important for stabilizing the mixture before baking. Once the batter has cooled in the iron bowl, the next step involves preparing the molds for the Nagasaki Castella honey cake. Workers begin by meticulously creating or selecting the molds that will shape the cakes during baking. Typically, these molds are made from durable materials, often aluminum or stainless steel, which conduct heat evenly for optimal baking results. The workers carefully line each mold to ensure the batter doesn't stick, often using parchment paper or a light coating of oil. This preparation is crucial as it allows for easy removal of the cakes once they are baked and cooled. After the molds are ready, the cool batter is gently poured into them, filling each mold to the appropriate level to allow for rising during the baking process. This step is essential for creating the classic shape and texture of the Castella cake, ensuring that each piece will be uniformly sized and beautifully presented when it emerges from the oven. Before pouring the batter into the molds, the workers enhance the flavor by adding a selection of flavorings and aromatics to the mixture. Commonly used flavorings may include a touch of vanilla extract, which adds a warm, sweet aroma, and possibly citrus zest, such as lemon or orange, to introduce a bright, refreshing note that complements the honey. After the first layer is poured in, it is gently smoothed out to eliminate any air bubbles and create a uniform surface. The workers then allow this layer to settle briefly before adding the second layer of batter on top. This two-layer approach not only helps to achieve the desired height and texture of the Nagasaki Castella honey cake, but also contributes to the cake's light and fluffy consistency. Once the flavorings are added to the batter, the worker uses a brush to gently mix and adjust the mixture. This technique helps to incorporate the flavorings more thoroughly and ensures that every part of the batter is infused with the aromatic notes. Tea. Once the batter has been carefully adjusted and is ready, the filled molds are transferred to the baking oven. The ovens used in the factory are specifically designed for even heat distribution, which is crucial for baking Nagasaki Castella honey cakes to perfection. As the cakes begin to bake, the heat causes the batter to rise, creating that signature fluffy texture. The workers monitor the baking process closely, paying attention to the temperature and baking time to ensure the cakes do not overbake or dry out. Typically, the cakes are baked at a moderate temperature for a specific duration, allowing them to develop a beautiful golden brown color while maintaining their soft, airy structure. Once the baking time is reached, the molds are carefully removed from the oven, and the warm cakes are allowed to cool slightly in their molds. This cooling period is essential, as it helps the cakes to set and makes them easier to unmold without breaking. After a short time, the workers gently release the cakes from the molds, carefully lifting them out to avoid damaging their delicate texture. They are often placed on wire racks to cool completely, allowing air to circulate around them and preventing condensation from forming, which could affect the cake's moisture and texture. As the cakes cool, their golden brown tops become slightly firmer, while the interiors remain soft and airy. This careful unmolding and cooling process is vital for ensuring that each Nagasaki Castella honey cake maintains its shape and achieves the perfect balance of moistness and lightness, ready to be sliced and enjoyed. Once the cakes have cooled completely, the workers prepare to cut the Nagasaki Castella honey cakes into various shapes and sizes, catering specifically to the needs of their VIP customers. Using a ruler and specialized cutting tools, they perform this task with precision and care. The process begins with each cake being placed on a sturdy cutting board, where workers assess the overall dimensions and determine the most suitable sizes for cutting based on customer requests. They use a ruler to mark the desired measurements, ensuring that each slice is uniform and aesthetically pleasing. The careful measuring is complemented by the use of a calculator to double-check proportions and maintain accuracy, particularly when cutting multiple cakes to fulfill larger orders. With the measurements in place, the workers skillfully employ specialized cutting tools designed for this purpose. These tools allow for clean cuts, without damaging the soft texture of the Castella. The workers cut manually, which adds a personal touch and ensures that each piece reflects the craftsmanship and attention to detail that the factory prides itself on. This manual cutting process is particularly important as it allows the workers to shape the cakes based on the unique specifications of their VIP customers. Whether the order calls for larger slices for special celebrations or smaller, bite-sized pieces for elegant gift sets, the team is dedicated to meeting these bespoke requests. They understand that their VIP customers expect not only high-quality cakes, but also tailored service that enhances the overall experience. Once the cakes are cut, the workers carefully arrange the pieces, ensuring they are presented beautifully. This personalized approach to slicing and shaping highlights the factory's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. By offering this exclusive service to VIP clients, the factory not only elevates the experience of enjoying Nagasaki Castella honey cake, but also reinforces its reputation for excellence in both product and service. Each meticulously cut piece is a testament to the skill and dedication of the workers, making these cakes truly special for those who receive them. After cutting the cakes, workers use a printing press to add logos with food-safe ink. The cakes are aligned for precise application, and once printed, they rest briefly for the ink to set. This branding enhances the cake's appeal and personalization, making them ideal for special events and showcasing the factory's commitment to quality. After the cakes have been printed and allowed to rest, each one is carefully wrapped in vibrant gift wrap paper. This step not only adds an elegant touch, but also enhances the overall presentation, making the cakes feel special and festive. The workers take great care in wrapping each cake, ensuring that the paper is neatly folded and secured, creating a visually appealing package that is perfect for gifting. After the cakes have been carefully wrapped in vibrant gift wrap paper, the next step involves labeling each one with the customer's name. This personalized touch adds an extra layer of thoughtfulness to the packaging process and ensures that each recipient feels special. The workers take care to write or print the names clearly, making sure they are legible and prominently displayed on the wrapping. Once labeled, the beautifully wrapped cakes are gently placed into their custom-designed boxes. These boxes are specifically crafted to fit the cake snugly, providing protection during transport and preventing any movement that could cause damage. Once the cakes are beautifully wrapped and labeled, they are ready for delivery, allowing customers to enjoy them with fresh milk. This pairing enhances the cake's moist and airy texture while balancing its sweetness. The factory values customer feedback, encouraging them to share their thoughts through direct comments, social media, or reviews. This feedback is crucial for maintaining and improving product quality. In addition to their exceptional customer service, anyone can enjoy Nagasaki Castella honey cakes, even if they are not a VIP customer. The factory offers a convenient cutting service using a cutting machine, ensuring that the cakes are neatly portioned for easy enjoyment. While non-VIP customers may not have the option to customize sizes, they can still indulge in these delicious treats without any hassle. This efficient cutting process ensures that each slice maintains the cake's signature moist and airy texture, making it a delightful experience for everyone. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or simply treating yourself, the cakes are readily available and prepared for enjoyment. You can find Nagasaki Castella honey cakes available for purchase in various locations, including markets, supermarkets, and specialty stores. These delicious treats are widely distributed, making them easily accessible for anyone looking to enjoy a slice of this delightful cake. Whether you're visiting a local grocery store or a specialty shop, you'll likely come across these beautifully packaged cakes, ready to be savored at home or shared with friends and family.